Hi, my name is Chris Tucci, and I am Professor of Digital Strategy and Innovation at Imperial College London. I've been an AOM member since 1992, way back when the annual meeting was held in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I've been working this spring on the 2020 virtual annual meeting task force, designing many of the elements that found their way into this virtual conference. And I hope you're going to be pleased with the results. I know I'm very pleased to bring you today's annual meeting highlights. So one of the things that I'm most excited about this year at the annual meeting is the chance to really broaden the scope of feedback that I might normally get by participating in this asynchronous session. So I'm really curious to see some of the comments that I and my co-authors might get from many of you as you browse through the presentations, and feel free to make comments on other people's presentations. But remember, be nice. Now let's move on to the highlighted conference features today. I'm going to talk about a couple things, but the first thing is social media. And I want to walk you through a little bit of the social media features that we're going to experience this year at the annual meeting. So I'm actually going to share my screen here and walk you through a little bit. First thing you should do is when you get on the site, go ahead and enter your social media, your Twitter account. So here's my little profile, and I'm just going to scroll down here, and I'm going to add my Twitter handle here. I am CLTUCCI, and then just go ahead and hit save. So that way you can be connecting your account with the AOM annual meeting. Now you can get on, we have LinkedIn, we have Twitter, and we have Facebook. And just to show you a little bit about how LinkedIn might go, you can go on LinkedIn. Here's my little page here, and you can search for Academy of Management, and then you'll be right here on the Academy of Management page, and just hit follow, and that's basically all you need to do. You can also go on the conference site, and if you see up here, you can click social, and you'll come to this page right here, which combines all of the social media mentions that are going on across the whole conference. And it's very exciting to see this thing scroll by. Next thing I think I want you to do is go ahead and get on Twitter. And you should feel free when you're making your post during the conference to go ahead and tag the AOM. So I'm looking forward to the AOM Connect. That's my little tag, annual meeting. And don't forget to use the hashtag AOM 2020. And then a couple exclamation points. I'm so excited about it. And there it is. I just sent my tweet off, and it'll show up on the social page. And then finally, for Facebook, you can join our group on Facebook. So just go ahead and search for AOM members. You're going to come to this on Facebook. You click on AOM members, and there you are. You have the ability to join the Facebook group. And it says now I've requested my thing. So I think this is a really, really fun part of this virtual conference. We can get a little bit more engaged with the social media as we're going through and watching the presentations, listening to the live presentations, participating in asynchronous sessions, and so on. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to stop my screen share here and move on to talk about the second feature for today, which is birds of a feather. So it's a great name for connecting friends and colleagues to engage on topics that they're most interested in. With the birds of a feather, you can find conversations you want to join or create new conversations and invite colleagues to join you. So here's how you get started. First, go ahead and select Discussions under the Conversations tab. And then you go to Birds of a Feather tab, and you find discussions to join and engage with. Or you can start your own conversation by clicking on New Conversation and begin your discussion with a question or comment. Now, if you want to bring the discussion into a Zoom meeting, you can actually do that too. You can invite your colleagues, or you can ask members to share their profile names with you. And then once you have everyone's name, you can just select Schedule a Meeting under the Schedule tab, and you can add everyone to the meeting. So in addition to this Birds of a Feather and Schedule a Meeting, you can also use Want to Meet when you want to meet up with somebody there. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a great conference.